Levelize. Already it's coming now, guys. What is? Mimina juu kokoto simiti hapo juu. Alafu tuanze basi. Yes. I'm continuing for the job here, guys. Also, I want to putting on the cement on the coconut, guys. Then to levelize. After levelize, you start to mixture. Yes. What is told me about? You can went to this packet now, guys. It's here. It's Pambre cement, guys. I'm using it. Yes, guys. Pambre cement, guys. Yes. Here in Africa, you can use the N cement, guys, because it's expensive, guys. Kijana, kuna maji mingi. Come with the water. More water here now, guys.
Drink.
Yeah, I want to drink here now, guys. I want to go down here. I am going to levelize for this cement, guys. After levelize, check kwanza. Mwaga hapa hivi kidogo sasa. I am continuing here in Africa, guys. I'm told in Africa here, when you're getting for the job, the next step to the family can to be getting very well, guys. When the man everything's man, guys. You know this the job I'm told me I'm working for the muscle honor, guys. Everything is the job. Everything is the job. Work hard, guys. You make sure that work hard, it's good. Diana. Sunete maji tufanye shimo tuanze kukoroga mlo. Vipi wewe? Mbona unajikaa kivingine tofauti?
Umeharibu lugha.
Unajua you know here is a camera.